Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to go to Wendy's. We're going to get that new Baconator, the one you see on TV. We'll let you know how it is, all right? All right, we got it. Here we go. Baconator. Now, if I remember, the Baconator comes with 2 patties, bacon, cheese, some kind of special sauce, and it comes on a pretzel bun. That's a pretty good looking little bun, isn't it? This is the one you see on TV, but look at that. I hope I can get that in my mouth. Well, my wife says I can get anything in my mouth, as big as it is. All right, let's 2 of their square patties. Now, if there's something you'd like to see me try, leave me a comment down below. We'll see if we can get it up here for you. We take a lot of comments like that. And leave us a comment. Even if you just want to say hello, go jump in the lake, whatever, okay? Let's get us a bite of this. If we can. Guess I didn't get any of their sauce on that one. What's the mystery drink today? See if we can get some of their sauce here. Woo! 2 patties, 2 layers of bacon, cheese. I got mayonnaise. I made them leave the ketchup off of this. It comes with ketchup unless you tell them leave it off. Just not getting any of their sauce. Turn it over right here and see what we can do, okay? Mystery drink again. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what that mystery drink is, okay? And let's see. Got the mayonnaise. Maybe they forgot to put the sauce on here. Oh well. Kind of plain without that sauce. Guess you hadn't figured out what the mystery drink is. There it is, Dr. Pepper. All right, how are we going to rate this? 1 to 5. 1 being 5 being yo. I'm going to rate this about a 3. It's okay. Nothing special. Yeah, it's just kind of plain. All right. We're going to say thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, okay? Tell me what you want to see. It doesn't have to be Wendy's, okay? We'll go anywhere. We can find one. All right. Thanks for watching, like, and subscribe, and see you next time. We're going to try a little bit more of this, but it's just kind of plain. I think they forgot to put the sauce on it. There's mayonnaise. Now, this is the one you see on TV. They would do the commercials about, hey, have you seen this? Blah, blah. For special sauce, it's not there, I don't think. Have you tried this yet? If you have tried it, tell me what you think of it. Did you rate it higher than me? Did you rate it lower than me? Just kind of a plain burger. All right, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. What you want to see me try. Have you tried it? Did you like it? Did you hate it? Did you love it? Whatever, okay? Remember, the ratings are strictly my opinion only. You may like it better than me. You may like it less, whichever. Just leave me a comment. Let me know, okay? Mystery drink. Tell Dr. Pepper I'm drinking their drinks, okay? Well, one more bite, maybe. Let's see if we can get down here in the middle somewhere. Yeah, I think I had enough of this one. All right, Baconator. Now, I think they left the sauce off of it. So, be sure you get the sauce, okay? All right. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you want to see. Go check out the playlist. Everything's under Taste Test. Then everything has its own. Wendy's, Sonic, Subway, all that. Each have their own playlist, okay? So like and subscribe. Leave a comment, even if you just want to say hi or go jump in the lake, okay? And we'll see you next time.